join my Discord server because it's a lot of fun there. Link in the description. Okay, see ya, bye. So you clicked on this video to know how to make a thumbnail, right? And I'm gonna show you how. You have two options. First option is you can either go to the game itself and take a perfect screenshot, or go to Roblox Studio and create a pose. For now, I'm gonna make a Undertale Reborn thumbnail. This will be the first chapter. Okay, so we're in the game and you need to go and toggle UI first. It'll save a lot of time. Toggle UI and then no cooldown. Whoops, whoops, whoops. There we go. Now I have no cooldown right now. Whoops. Yeah, now I have no cooldown. Now you can choose any pose. You can like do this or that, or maybe even this. Your choice. Pose it like maybe, now let's wait, like this. There we go. Now that's a good looking pose. Take a screenshot and save it to your file. There. If you want a background image, just take a screenshot from here, or any of your choice. Now there are second parts. You can either take screenshots from these bones, or just go to Google and type Undertale bones and sprite. Nice, typed. There we go. You can take a screenshot from it, or you can take it from here, which is pretty easy. But I much rather take a screenshot from the Gaster Blaster. Yeah, much better. Now that's a good one. Now I'll take a screenshot of that, save it to my file, and now it's time for the editing or the thumbnail. If you're wondering what editing, what thumbnail software I use Photopshopping, which is basically the same thing as Photoshop, but it's free. It's actually pretty good. I do really recommend. So let's just go to new project, go to YouTube thumbnail. It just gives you the automatic format for it. I would much rather transparent, just in case. Now we start cooking. Bring in your files, bring them in. There we go, brought the background, put it behind and just click it off. And let's go to cropping. But what I do if the background looks easy to delete, just rotate, right click, rotate, and click W, or you can just magic wand. Reduce it to around 50. Whoops, oh, that's a lot. 60. Now let's start cropping. You can press E to pull up the eraser, or you can just click on it and just erase the part that seemed kind of annoying for you. Now we have a problem. You see that this eye looks kind of purplish and all of that, right? Just click P or just go to pen and just draw over it. You need to be kind of detailed, or if you don't want to, it's okay. You just, whoops. Also make the fill this, like the transparent. Now we just draw over it. Now we're done. Just click on it. Now we need to go to the image below and click Ctrl J. Now you have a duplicate of the layer. See? There it is. Now you need to first double click it and go to Satan and turn all the way down. Change it to blue, or the image that fits it. There, we're done. See? Now let's go to the blaster. Blaster is not gonna be that hard. Just rotate it. Right click, rotate, and put it to around 17. Now we should start working. Okay, I don't like this purple outline. That's because if you just put a stroke on it, it will appear more. You can't really just use center. It will look way small. So what I recommend is put in some work. You need to put in in some more work. Turn off the stroke. Make it around the size 2 or 3. That's all I recommend. Don't make it 1. And then zoom in, and then start racing. Now that we're done with the gas blaster, now if I zoom out and put in a stroke, see, now it's way smoother. Now what I do recommend right now is to delete, go to the blaster in the center, reduce it to around 20 or something, click on the end, reduce it until it's all white. Pull out your pen and start drawing around it. It may seem confusing. If it's really confusing, just pull out the background, click W. No, I mean V. Damn, I mean V. Click it, bring it over here so you could tell what's going on. Now we have a much more clear view. I'll just delete those. Now let's start drawing on the circle. Now that we're done, right click, make selection, do that, and just go to the image below, click Ctrl J. Now we're done. Now double click on the layer we just shaped on. Click hour glow. See, now it has an hour glow. Nice. Make it white. Turn on the spread slightly. Make it big and turn on the range, or just play around until you're happy. Okay, I'm done with it. Now, since I'm gonna make a thumbnail about 2v2, we need another person, right? Well, look no further. Just go ask them and tell them to you can either join in game and take a screenshot from them, or he can either send you the image. Yurch has sent me one of his images, which is this one that he sent me. Now let's just go to photopshopping, bring it, and let's see it. Now let's see. It looks hella dark. It looks pretty dark. In that case, I don't think any retirized one really helps, since it's pretty much hard to see. So I'm gonna choose the long route, which is pull out the pen, zoom in, and start cropping. You don't need to make a point perfect, but if you want to, sure. Whoops. Okay, so all you need to do is do the same thing, make selection, crop it from below. Now I zoom out, we have the image, but we have a slight problem. As you can see, there's a bit of dark over here. Holy shit, why is it so dark? God damn, Yurch, you sent me a horrible image. It's so dark, I can't tell. Now you're gonna say snowy. There's a big gap over here. Well, look no further. We're gonna do the same thing. Use a pen. Let's see where it was, like over here, maybe. I would say over here. Just do a cut. Now, it does not look better on it, but we can just adjust a couple of stuff with the shading and all of that. Got the layer style. Just disable stroke. Do the same thing, put above. Now put it down, merge down. And then if you click on stroke, see? There we go. It does not look perfect, but it does the job. Make it big. Big enough. Put over here. Bring it down. Add some Gaussian blur. Around like 2.3 I really recommend. When I mean it, I mean it. And go to exposure, turn it a bit down. Somewhere around like, or like, you know, something like, there we go, 1. Now, you may ask, snowy, this isn't like bright enough, like it's too dark. Well, let's see if we can fix it. Maybe turn on the, oh, hold on, it does work, but I do like that. The eye glows, but yeah, see, there we go. Just turn off the contrast and turn on the brightness, and we have normal Urich. See, normal, GG. Now, what I like to add as a chef's kiss, I would say, zoom in, take his eye, crop it, Control J. Now we have it. Since there's a stroke, little stroke, add a hour glow. I think I hope it works, and make it less make it softer, less spread, make it spread 0, and then, yeah, there we go. Make it less, play it around until you're happy with the result. Okay, now I like this. Since he seems like he's on the right side, I would have to get a new version, I guess. I did not really notice that. Now, I said there will be 2 types, in-game and Roblox Studio. I'm gonna go to Roblox Studio, and it does look ugly. It really does look ugly. Let's go to VGS. Let's see what are the posts. So I'm gonna take it for moons, since like, anyways, now let's just open Moon Animator, put in my new character, and let's start doing the pose. Yes! Yes! Come on! No! Ooh! See? This will be the inspiration. Color overlay and a red stroke or a 3D layer. What? How does... What? Huh? How does this have... Huh? Man, YouTube is truly unfair. Anyways, Undertale text box. Run. Just like copy. There we go, see? Much better now. Generate box, and there it is. I can just take a screenshot. Boom, and let's just... There we go. Alright, I was listening to some good music. I highly recommend the Fazbear Revolving. Very good music, actually. I need a black background. Yes, a black background where it appears everywhere. There we go. Now, close that. Terrorize. Now we need to do that to all of the R. All I have to do is just add some funny little color overlay. Make it spooky. Make it red, and maybe an outer glow red, or I might be adding too much. Now just duplicate it. This is the result. I've made a couple of editing, not much, just like a bit of stroke, and I stole the eyes from an animation. Nothing much. Hold on, I'm just typing VGS sounds. I forgot that the most important parts. I'm so stupid. Go over here, and we should just take a screenshot from this.
Are you just gonna steal the weapon?
No, I'm not gonna steal a weapon. I'm gonna steal an art. I'm gonna steal a fan art without giving them the...